I am not a minority. These words are for Asada, on the run from the devil with the hands of the Father holding her revolutionary soul in secrecy. I am not a minority. This be for the African kin that breathe my skin. Death is not the end. It is only a transition. Though his story has shifted us into the back seat, these words will work as a transmission, shifting us from reverse into drive. I am not a minority. I am king. My girl, nah, my queen is Earth. If I ruled the world, every child would know about Mansa Musa and get used to feeling first, feeling able, feeling worthy, feeling creative. Every child would know about the Olmecas in the Americas, about the Nile Valley civilizations originating in Ethiopia. I'm talking about black people making their own laws and following them. I'm talking about black people providing for their own living way before the Industrial Revolution. I'm talking about facts, whereas these textbooks keep pushing me back. History keeps replacing his fugly face, disgracing black greats. I am not a minority. We are not minorities. We are warriors with new world watered down war paint. We are constantly taught who we are. We are constantly taught where we come from. That is why in my society it is acceptable to see black and idiot as interchangeable, as one and the same. But we are the voices of the future. So it is up to us to make that change. Be careful about the words you use to describe yourself. Minority, less than. In this expensive free market, less than means illegitimate. Illegitimate like the kids who foster art and revolution in their hearts but are seen as nothing other than progressive students. So, to the politicians with diluted definitions of what intelligence is, these classrooms can no longer box in my intelligence. You will no longer stomp out my scope of self-worth. I am my own man. I am not a minority. You are not a minority, but you got me twisted if you think that I'm going to accept being 3/5 of any man that breathes the same air that I do. There's more important things going on in the world than what Blue Ivy ate for breakfast. There are more important things than the new features on this iPhone. We are living a lie. We are a global people. I said that we are a global people. African Americans are not exceptions to the international African race. Just displaced, saw an anglicized Messiah and decided to wait to be saved. I have a message to the black boy. Black boy fly. Black boy fly. Black boy fly over all your haters claiming that you are a thug, a nigger, a failure. You are a capable king, and I got nothing but love for you. To the black girl lost, beauty is you. Find your power in knowing that you are the reason why we can taste this air, why we can walk on this earth. I can only speak about what I know, and I know that these shackles will no longer enslave us. So the world is what you make it. So it is up to you to make it beautiful and to make it you. Peace.